So guys, before we get started, you need an original PS3 controller that's been connected with the cable to your PS3 console. We're going to boot into safe mode. Also, make sure that you have no PS3 disc inside of your PS3 console. Make sure that there's no disc in your PS3. So now, my PS3 is currently turned on, so now I'm just going to turn it off. So I'm going to hold the button till it turns off. Make sure that your PS3 is turned off, just keep holding the button, which will now turn off our PS3. Now once the PS3 is turned off, we're now going to hold the button again. It's going to turn green, keep on holding, don't let go, and then it's going to turn off again. Hold the button, it's going to turn green, keep on holding, do not let go until it turns off. It beeped once, keep holding still. Keep holding. It's now turned off again, let go. And now you want to hold on the power button again, it's going to turn green, we're going to wait for 4 beeps and then we're going to let go. There's 1 beep, keep on holding. There's another beep, keep on holding, 2 more now. That's another 2, let go. So that's 4 beeps in total, let go once it beeps 4 times. Which will now bring us into safe mode. And now once we're here in safe mode, I have my PS3 controller hooked up to my PS3 with the cable. Now we're going to go down and you want to rebuild the PS3 database. You want to go with this option right here. Now in my case, I do not have this problem, so I'm not going to do it. But in your case, you just want to rebuild your database and this should now fix your problem. Don't worry, it's not going to delete anything.